Welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm Dave Thompson, your coach for today. And you can see behind me, I've been working. What is my hack for today? Well, the thing is mops have been laying a lot of slime on the floors. People have been disinfecting and leaving all of that on the floor. I got to get it up. So what am I using? The twin brush machine. This one here happens to be called a Brush Pro. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so you saw it spit out that dirt. I didn't put that dirt there. A dirty, filthy mop did that. So really, are you disinfecting? Are you cleaning when you put the chemical in the mop bucket? Remember some of my hacks that I've shown you? Put the chemical on the floor, brush it in, and hey, stay tuned for another hack because I'm going to show you how to pick this up and rinse the floor. Stay tuned for another hack here at Cleaning with the Academy.